One of the most important tools in any craftsman's workshop is the router. Routers have so many diverse functions, and depending on the bits used, they can help make up for certain tools that might not be in your workshop. They round edges, cut to depth, and if used properly, can create intricate designs in your woodworking project. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Makita RT0701CX7 Compact Wood Router Kit. The Makita Compact Router Kit has a powerful motor and a smooth touch. With a blade speed of 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, the tool can cut and shape wood in many settings, and the locking control mechanism will not change speed during the cut. The precision depth adjustment system allows for the user to set the depth quickly and, more important, accurately. The tool itself is durable and easy to handle. The slow start component is one of the nicest features of the Makita kit. It's a useful feature for newer router users, but also nice for more advanced users who know the chance of a tear out at the start. One drawback to this tool comes to light after prolonged use. When used for longer periods, the user will notice some vibration, which can cause slip-ups. Number 2. DEWALT DWP611 Park Wood Router. The DEWALT Wood Router is a solid router set at a premium price. This router operates on a 1.25 horsepower motor and can run anywhere from 16,000 to 27,000 RPM with ease. This router can tear through woodworking projects that are both large and small due to its ability to set and control speed. Another major plus for this tool is the fact that it has two LED lights and a clear base to help the operator see exactly what they are doing and where they are cutting. The DEWALT Wood Router has a compact design, which is easy to use and very portable. One drawback to this machine is that it can sometimes run hot when used heavily. This happens with overuse, especially at higher RPM. Number 3. SKIL Fixed Base Corded Wood Router. The SKIL Fixed Base Corded Router is a nice 10-amp fixed base router that makes clean, crisp cuts and can be adjusted to desired depth. What is nice about this tool is that it lets the operator select the speed based on the project. This makes it a great tool for more artistic and intricate projects. To help even further with detailed cutting, the router comes with two LED lights to help guide the work. The router uses a soft start, which gives the user a more controlled and safer start. The shape of the handles makes this tool easy to use for extended periods of time.